Subscribe below for the latest tips and tricks on how to form and successfully run your business. How to file an LLC, DIY versus other services. Are you deciding on what the best path to form your LLC is? Let's cover a legal service, more on this in a second, versus DIY to form your single member LLC. When you hire a business formation service, the popular choices for you will be these. The first one is Rocket Lawyer. The pros of Rocket Lawyer are custom legal contracts and documents. You gain access to legal advice. You can sign up for a free 7-day trial to test out their services. The cons of Rocket Lawyer are monthly membership is pricier than its competitors, and without a membership, you'll have to pay for each individual service and document. Who should use Rocket Lawyer? Their monthly membership is ideal if you want ongoing legal advice past the company formation stage. You may also find it useful if you plan to create contracts and wish to have a lawyer review these documents on a continual basis. Second service is Incfile. The pros of Incfile include free registered agent service for a year, an online access dashboard, tax filing services are available with their gold and platinum packages, and you get access to customer support as you need it. The cons of Incfile are you won't get access to legal advice, and there's no way for you to build contracts. Who should use Incfile? Incfile is a good choice if you just want basic LLC filing plus features like an online dashboard, compliance alert, and around-the-clock customer service. They also offer premium perks like tax consultation, unlimited support, and registered agent services with their more expensive packages. Next, let's go over Northwest Registered Agent. Some of the pros of using Northwest Registered Agent are protecting your privacy since they will be listed as your registered agent, offers flexibility since you can hire their professional services or use resources to do it yourself, and you get a free registered agent for a year. The con of Northwest Registered Agent is extra services can get pricey. Who should use Northwest Registered Agent? This is ideal if you feel confident in forming your LLC on your own, but like the idea of getting extra assistance if needed. Okay, so all that sounds good, but have you thought about DIY? When it comes to taking control of your budget and understanding what matters most to your remote business, setting up your LLC will always come out on top. Although the state you decide to incorporate in will determine the complexity of the process, most business owners are capable of forming their LLC entirely on their own. Yes, that includes you. With a DIY route, you'll need a professional business address, as well as a way to manage your mail while working remotely. Fortunately, a VPN mailbox can get you both. You'll get a commercial business address to protect your privacy and to use for any business-related purposes. Think paperwork, websites, customer correspondences, etc. Now for the pros of using a VPN virtual mailbox is you'll get free registered agent services as long as you have a business address. This can save you over $100 a year compared to formation services that can charge over $300 plus. You'll also get access to mailing services. Since formation services only accept registered mail, you'll have to get a separate mailing address. A VPN virtual mailbox offers mail scanning and package forwarding, allowing you to manage your mail and packages on any device with internet connection. You'll also get check depositing. Say goodbye to long commutes to the bank. With a VPN virtual mailbox, you'll be able to deposit your checks remotely. The con of using a VPN virtual mailbox is limited selection of 4 locations at the moment. Who should consider this method? This is best for those starting a single member LLC and don't have any complex assets. If you've already done your research and have a pretty thorough understanding of how the LLC formation process works, this is a great option for you. All in all, the recommended route is DIY. And if you need help, check out the link in the description below as each state has their own specific requirements. Learn more.